Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back again another day with an unboxing. This is just going to be a very short unboxing and short comparison between the JBL Tuner and JBL Tuner 2. A while ago, I think maybe a year ago, my parents asked me to get them a kitchen radio, just small, simple, and it was kind of hard to find actually. Yeah, most of them were too big and yeah, just not good. So I tried this one in the store and I got, yeah, I think this is it. If you want a small clock radio or kitchen radio, bedroom radio, bedside radio, this is it. It's very small, but the sound is good, as it usually are with JBL. And everybody that have heard it liked it a lot as well. So I got one from my parents' neighbors as well, and they are super happy with them, with their. The only downside is, you see, I put tape on the antenna. This is the third time the antenna breaks, and every time I need to replace the antenna, it costs me 25 euro, and that's quite a lot for just the antenna. So don't drop it. But otherwise, it's really nice. Sounds loud, bigger than it is. Sounds good all the way to loud. From low to loud, sounds good all the way. Absolutely worth the money, as with most of JBL's products. It sounds better than your expectations. But yeah, happy with it. No problems at all. Just the antenna. So when the new one came out, at least here in Sweden, JBL Tuner 2, I thought, why not buy one? So let's see what's in the package. Or first of all, I don't think I'm gonna do a sound comparison, because then I have to connect it to my, I don't know, Google Next Hub or something. So don't get mad at me for not showing you the sound difference. But the difference, what I've seen so far between the Tuner and the Tuner 2, is that the Tuner 2 is water and dust protected, IP67 I think, which is good. You can use it in the bathroom, and we have a larger display. Let's put it on than the small one. The small one only had this one, and that hasn't bothered me at all. And I actually have this connected to my parents' Google Nest Hub, so the screen is no use at all. But here we have a bigger screen, water and dust protected. This one I have 8 hours power reserve, and this one I have 12 hours power reserve. And yeah, so everything's better with this one. I've seen, or I heard comparison between the two, that this one sounds clearer and better and fuller, but all of JBL's products you have to play in until you can judge them correctly. So that's why I don't want to do the comparison, because this one is brand new, never played on, and this one is played on every day for a year. So I don't want to do that comparison, but of course newer is better. And that wasn't much at all in the package. One more difference, of course, the old one has a USB, the micro USB, and the new one has USB-C. On the old one, actually, the antenna, when it's fold down, I don't want to touch this, but it's a little bit more protected when it's fold down, the antenna. The newer one is a little bit bigger, and that's probably because of the water protection case. And so yeah, so we have the USB-C cable. We don't have a power dock. That's kind of bad actually. That's bad. So everybody now is on that Apple Save the Environment train. With this one, we have the JBL, the big one, the orange power cable. And here we only have the cable. That's not good. But the pricing is the same, I think. This one cost last year, I think, just over 100 euro. And this one now cost 120 euros. So I think that when this one was brand new, it probably cost the same as this one. And I've seen already some places that doesn't have it in stock, but they have it listed at 100 euro. So I don't know if it's the old price and they just haven't updated it or what. But that is it. IP67, water and dust protected. I don't want to say waterproof, but protected. And larger display, 12-hour power reserve instead of 8 hours. And DAB radio, of course, Bluetooth connected. And yeah, it has it all. So if you need a small radio or a Bluetooth speaker, if you want to have it in your bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, bathroom, I think this is it actually. If the size is one of the most important aspects for you. Otherwise, you probably could get a charge. What are they called? JBL charge, JBL, I don't know, the bigger one that are really waterproof. I think they cost almost the same, but they are quite larger. So if the size is different, is important for you, and of course the radio, then this is it. That was the hardest part of finding a kitchen radio for my parents. None of the Bluetooth speakers today are FM radio or DAB radio prepared. So yeah. Okay, one more small thing. These JBL Tuner are not connected with the JBL app, so you can't update them if I remember correctly. And that also means that you can't connect them together. I think I can do that via the Google Nest Hub, but just like this, you can't connect them together with the JBL app. I told you I was going to keep this short. This is it. JBL Tuner 2. Size comparison with JBL Tuner 1. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. I might do a sound comparison later. If you want to see that, let me know, comment. Otherwise, if you have any questions, as usual, I'll do my best to answer you. Thanks for watching.